Ubaid bin Umair states that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha got this news that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu commanded women to untie the braids while taking a bath. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha thereupon said, "It is an astonishing act of Abdullah bin Umar that he commands women to untie the plaits while taking a bath. Why doesn't he ordain women to shave their heads? I, along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, would take a bath, taking water from a single vessel and pour water thrice on my hair." Note: majority of the jurists say that it is not necessary for a woman to untie the hair while taking a bath, provided the water penetrates the skull. But if water does not reach her head without untying the hair, it is imperative for her to untie the hair. In case of Hazrat Salama's Hadith, it is interpreted that water would reach the roots of her hair. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 745.